This patio laid over concrete and gravel failed over time. We removed the pavers and the concrete in order to break up the base and introduce some 3-inch stone for additional stability. I hope you don't think we were going to just lay their old pavers down in a boring square like they were before. That, my friends, is not how we at Scott Flanagan Landscape do things. Prior to the start of this job, on our second appointment, we met at a Unilock supply yard. I showed the client a few of my ideas on how we could introduce just a small amount of new pavers to breathe new life into their old patio. After laying their old bricks on a 45, our technicians moved forward and cut the circle and added the new pavers. Between our innovative design and our excellent technicians, transforming their disaster into a masterpiece was an enjoyable project for everyone involved. I hope you enjoyed our video, and I hope that you can take the time to check out some of our other videos. No matter how big or small the job, we appreciate the opportunity to deliver a dramatic before and after to each and every one of our customers.